If you're looking to capture every epic moment in stunning detail, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 best action cameras of 2025, showcasing the latest models that push creativity, durability, and performance to the next level. Whether you're into extreme sports, travel vlogging, or simply documenting life with cinematic flair, these cameras deliver incredible video quality, unbeatable stabilization, and smart features designed for today's creators. From compact and lightweight designs to pro-level 8K performance, we've rounded up the best options to suit every adventure and budget. So, whether you're upgrading your gear or picking your very first action cam, stay tuned as we explore the top contenders that will help you capture your story like never before. Number 5. GoPro Hero 10 Black. Even though newer models are out, the GoPro Hero 10 Black remains a fan favorite because of its incredible balance of power and affordability. This camera introduced the GP2 processor, which doubled performance and made 5.3K video at 60 frames per second buttery smooth. Its HyperSmooth 4.0 stabilization still impresses today, delivering cinematic results whether you're skydiving, snowboarding, or just capturing family moments. The responsive touchscreen, fast file transfers, and waterproof build make it user-friendly for beginners while still packing enough advanced features for seasoned creators. Compared to the latest models, the Hero 10 offers excellent value, especially for those who want top-tier footage without paying premium prices. It's rugged, reliable, and versatile enough for vlogging, travel, or sports adventures. If you're stepping into the action camera world and want proven performance with a slightly lighter price tag, the Hero 10 Black continues to be a fantastic choice that delivers beyond expectations. Number 4. Insta360 Ace Pro. When it comes to premium quality and pro-level detail, the Insta360 Ace Pro takes things up a notch. Built in collaboration with Leica, its lens delivers crystal-clear 8K video and stunning low-light performance that rivals much larger cameras. The Ace Pro isn't just about high resolution, it's about reliability, depth, and color that pop with cinematic brilliance. Its advanced AI tools make editing smarter, from removing unwanted objects to tracking subjects flawlessly. Adventure seekers will love the rugged waterproof body, while vloggers can rely on the flip-screen design for easy framing. Unlike smaller models, the Ace Pro feels like a complete creative station, giving you raw power, flexibility, and pro-grade features in one compact form. Add in fast wireless transfers and excellent app integration, and it's a dream for content creators who want top-tier performance on the go. If your goal is producing professional-looking footage without carrying a bulky setup, the Insta360 Ace Pro is hands down a game changer. Number 3. Insta360 GO 3S. The Insta360 GO 3S is proof that great things really do come in small packages. Weighing next to nothing, this tiny powerhouse redefines portable shooting for creators who don't want to lug heavy gear. With 4K video capabilities and upgraded stabilization, it ensures your clips are not just sharp but impressively smooth, no matter how fast life moves. Its magnetic mounting system makes it incredibly easy to snap onto helmets, pets, or even clothing, unlocking shooting perspectives that bulky cameras can't manage. The Action Pod adds a flip screen and extended battery life, transforming the GO 3S into a full vlogging kit without losing portability. For travelers, daily vloggers, or anyone who wants effortless content capture, it's a dream companion. Insta360's app also shines here, letting you auto-edit or create dynamic clips in seconds, perfect for social sharing. If you've been hunting for a fun, creative, and truly pocket-sized camera that doesn't compromise on quality, the GO 3S is simply irresistible. Number 2. GoPro MAX. If versatility is what you're after, the GoPro MAX is a camera that bends the rules of creativity. This unique 360-degree action cam records every angle at once, allowing you to reframe and edit later with complete freedom. Imagine filming an adventure and then deciding afterward where to point the camera. That's the Max's magic. The 6K spherical video quality captures immersive detail, while its renowned Max HyperSmooth stabilization ensures even wild runs or rides look buttery smooth. Vloggers will appreciate the front-facing display and directional microphone, delivering both visual and audio clarity. You can switch between hero mode for traditional shooting or full 360 to unleash your imagination. On top of that, its rugged waterproof design makes it just as adventure-ready as any hero model. Whether you want cinematic storytelling, VR-ready footage, or simply a flexible tool that adapts to every scenario, the GoPro MAX earns its spot as one of the best action cameras for creators who want something beyond ordinary. Number 1. GoPro Hero 12 Black. The GoPro Hero 12 Black is a powerhouse for anyone serious about capturing epic adventures. With improved battery efficiency, vibrant 5.3K video at 60 frames per second, and HDR for both photos and videos, it delivers crisp details even in tough lighting. The stabilization has been pushed to the next level, making shaky footage a thing of the past whether you're biking, surfing, or hiking. Its rugged waterproof build means it's ready to follow you anywhere, while the larger field of view captures more of the action in every frame. Content creators will love its wireless audio support and seamless connection with Bluetooth devices for vlog-ready sound. It's also designed for long recording sessions without overheating, making it more reliable than ever. If you want the ultimate balance of durability, cutting-edge features, and cinematic footage, the Hero 12 Black truly feels like the gold standard of action cameras in 2025. For thrill seekers and storytellers alike, it's a top pick that doesn't disappoint. That wraps up our look at the top 5 best action cameras of 2025. Each of these amazing cameras brings something unique, whether it's unbeatable stabilization, crisp 8K resolution, or lightweight portability for everyday adventures. No matter your style of content, there's a perfect match waiting for you. All the products featured in this video are available in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more informative and tech top best product reviews, and comment your favorite choice. Thanks for watching Tech Facts.